Man, does this thing even work anymore? We gotta dust it off, clean it off. Are we rolling? We are rolling. What is going on, everyone? I'm back here with another video, and before anyone says it, the wind's horrendous. All right, I'm in the middle of nowhere. This is the best spot I could find to film, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. All right, but yeah, I'm back, and it's been a minute. It has been quite a long time, and I apologize for that. The important thing is that we're back with a very exciting video, a video that is very much so overdue. So without dragging it on too much, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the new car to the channel. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. We have a 1999 Subaru Impreza 2.5 RS on the channel now, and it's a coupe. I've actually been looking for a car just like this one for quite some time now. Just every time I would go looking at one, there would be more wrong with it than what the seller was actually saying, or we couldn't agree on a price, but we found it. We found the one, and I am very, very excited to get my hands on this. So unfortunately, in this video, I'm really not gonna go much into detail about acquiring this vehicle and everything about it. I was just very, very excited to show you guys and introduce the new car to the channel. So I do have to apologize. You guys are going to have to wait till next video to learn more about this car, and I'm very excited. I'm excited to make more videos. I'm excited to have a blank canvas at our fingertips, and I hope you guys are excited too. It's been quite some time, but I'm gonna try to get back in the rhythm of making more consistent uploads, so I hope you guys are excited for that. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously, if you did, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next upload.